Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Do you want to sound more natural when speaking English? In today's video, we are going to practice a real-life conversation about getting a new job. First, you will listen to the story. Then, we will learn some key phrases. And finally, we will practice speaking together. Let's jump in.
Hey, Mia. You look very happy today. What's up?
Hi, Alex. I have some exciting news. I finally got a part-time job at a bookstore.
No way. That's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. I am really happy. I start my first shift this Friday.
That's great. Do you love reading, or are you doing it for experience?
Both. I always wanted to work with books, and the staff there seems very friendly.
I am happy for you. So what are you doing now?
I am just passing time before I go to my orientation meeting.
Okay. I am going to a cafe to get a smoothie. Do you want to come?
Yes, I would love to. I need a fresh drink.
Great. Let's go.
Great job listening. Now, let's look at 4 useful expressions from that conversation.
Vocabulary.
Landed a job. This means to successfully get a job or a position. Example: after 3 interviews, he finally landed the job. Looking forward to it. This is used when you feel excited about something in the future. Example: I am really looking forward to our vacation next week. Killing time. This means doing something not very important while you wait. Example: I am just killing time at the airport until my flight arrives. Heading to. This is a casual way to say you are going somewhere. Example: where are you heading? I am heading to the gym. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me out loud. I finally landed that part-time job. I'm really looking forward to it. What are you up to right now? I'm just killing time before my meeting. I'm heading to the cafe. Want to join? Excellent work today! Remember, the secret to fluency is repetition. Watch this video again and keep practicing those phrases until they feel natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next video. Happy learning!